Hey everyone, this is Amy Fuss and I'm making this quick video to see how you can remove metal from glass. This is glued to the glass. So, how to remove these little guys from glass. There was 4 of them and I have 2 more here. So I decided to make a video for anybody who is facing the same type of complication. This one and this one. What I did was that I used the old-fashioned voila. Between me and a friend came up with that idea, and one came off. Now I'm hoping that these 2 little ones can come off. And I'm using this to kind of just do this, macaroni, and after applying a WD-40, you should leave it there for some time and then continue to tap it like this, and it should come out eventually. It worked for me, and I hope this video was helpful.